So we have another equation here that we have to solve. Find the value of x. It's still some elementary questions in indices. So let's solve this together. It is a simple equation. So we apply indices here by having 3 raised to the power of 2x times 3 raised to the power of 1. Then this will be plus 26 open bracket 3 raised to the power of x all minus 9 equals to 0. So we will have this to be 3 raised to the power of x all in bracket square, then multiply by 3, then plus 26 bracket 3 raised to the power of x minus 9 all equal to 0. So having gotten this one, the next thing is to let an alphabet, let me use this case t equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So wherever we see this one, we'll replace it with t, so that we have t square but multiplied by 3 to be 3t, then plus 26t minus 9 all equals to 0. So this one here, we will solve this particular question by using quadratic formula. So I would like to solve, like using quadratic equation. I've solved the rest with formula and factorization. So here I will be using completing the square method to solve this one. So to use completing the square method, we divide all through by the coefficient of t square. The coefficient of t square. So we have t square plus 26 divided by 3t minus 9 divided by 3 all equal to 0. So we'll take this to the other side, which will give us t square plus 26 over 3t all equals to minus plus 3. Because we will take this one, divide by this is 3. When we take it to the other side, it will give us plus 3. So what we'll do is that we're dealing with this coefficient now, the coefficient of t. We will find half of it and square it and add it to both sides. That is, we have 26 over 3. We divide this one by 2. So when we divide this one by 2, it's the same thing as 26 divided by 2 times 3. So that this one here, this will give us 13. So we are left with 13 over 3. This is the half of the coefficient of t. So we'll square this half and add it to both sides. That is, we have t square plus 26 over 3t plus 13 over 3 in bracket square equals to 3 plus 13 over 3 all in bracket square. Remember, you find the half of this, square it and add it to both sides. That's what we just did here. So having done this one, then the next thing is that we will do some kind of, here there's a way we can combine this so that it will be in one place. This can be written as t plus 13 over 3, close the bracket, then we have square, then equals to 33 plus, square this one to give us 169 all over, square that one to give us 9. So how did I arrive to this? When you square this, you will get this. When you multiply this time this, that is 2 times this to give us 26, and then over 3. Then when you square this alone, you have this one, you have this particular one. So here, let me deal with the other side first. 3 times 9, it will be 27. This will be 27 plus 169, because when you balance here with 1 times this will give you 169, then 1 times 9 will give us 9. So this is the same thing as when we sum this one together, we will have 169 plus 27. This is 6, carry 1. This plus this is 8 plus 1 is 9, and then we have 1 down. So this will give us the same thing as 196 over 9. That is t plus 13 over 3 in bracket square is equals to this. So having gotten this one, we'll take this square to the other side so that it will be t plus 13 over 3 equals to the square root of 196. Sorry, this is 196 divided by 9. This must be positive negative since we are taking a square on the other side. So we'll have this to be positive negative the square root of 196. The square root of 196, that will give us 14. So we have plus 14 over square root of 9 is 3. So taking this to the other side, we'll have t to be equal to 13 over 3 plus or minus 14 over 3. Then we'll have this to be 13 plus 14 over 3 or 13 minus 14 over 3. I love this. So this will give us the same thing as when you sum this to give us 27. 27 divided by 3 will give us 9. Or this minus this will give us minus 1. So it will be minus 1 over 3. So these are the answers for t. But this is not what we have been asked to calculate. Recall that we say let t be equals to 3 raised to the power of x. So we want to find the value of x which we were asked to calculate. So now, therefore, when t is equals to 9, then we'll have 3 raised to the power of x is equals to 9, which is the same thing as, let me write it this way, which is the same thing as 3 raised to the power of x equal to 3 raised to the power of 2. So that this will kick out this, our x is equals to 2. Likewise, when t is equals to minus 1 over 3, then we'll have 3 raised to the power of x is equals to minus 1 over 3, which we can express as 3 raised to the power of x equals to minus 3 raised to the power of minus 1. So that this will cancel this. We are left with x equal to minus open bracket minus 1, and the answer is 1. So we have the two answers to be 2 and 1. So this is how we solve this simple equation, and I believe if you follow me from the beginning, it's actually fun. It's actually fun solving this kind of question. See you in the next section as you subscribe and also comment in this work. Thank you. I love you guys.